Hi and welcome to Bennett's Bike Social. Now, if you've been following my series of videos on this Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, you'll know that despite owning a BMW S1000 XR and a ZX6R and a Grom, I love the simplicity of this. I love how easy it is to ride. I love how small and relaxing it is. I love it, but my wife doesn't. So she loves the look of it, she loves the idea of it, but on a recent pillion and pinion video, she just found it really uncomfy. She said,
I've never been as uncomfy as I've been today.
So today, we're going to try and fix that. Now, Helen's main problem with the bike wasn't so much the seat, it was the position of these pegs. Now, I have got this SW Tech Legend luggage on here, which is really good stuff. It's been really handy for carrying all my kit when I've been shooting various videos with this bike, just throwing stuff in there or doing a bit of shopping. But Helen can't get her feet in position on here. Now, people commented on our various channels, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, that the pegs can be moved. So, I've got a set of Hepco and Becker peg relocation kits here, and I'm going to fit them, which will move the pegs forward. So hopefully Helen will be able to ride this with the luggage, and hopefully she'll just find it a bit more comfy. I've also got some kit from Royal Enfield. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is they sent me a fly screen as part of a touring package to fit to this, but I've already got one, so I'm going to give it away. All you've got to do is click on the link down in the description, and one of you could win this. So if you want it, click on that link. Now, they also sent me the touring seat. Apparently this has a 3D netting in it that makes it comfier for the rider and for the pillion. So we're going to put that on, see how we get on with that. That is £139.99. Now, the peg relocation kit is £42. So we're kind of stacking some prices up at the moment, but remember it's a relatively affordable bike. If these things make the difference, they are going to be worth it. Royal Enfield also sent me these touring mirrors. Now, they look a bit modern to me, but I'm going to put them on, see how I get on. They're said to be more stable, but to be honest, the current ones are stable. Any vibration obviously is transmitted up through the bars, and I can't really feel any damping in these, but we'll put them on, see how we get on. Yeah, the standard one seems to sink into it a little bit more. The standard one feels like it's got slightly more supportive foam. It's not a world apart, at least sitting on the garage floor. Well, that was easy. The new mirrors don't stick out as far as the originals. If I put that there, you can see that line it up with the camera. So I actually prefer the originals. I don't like how these, well, they're smaller, they look cooler, maybe if you want that style. Personally, I prefer the chrome mirrors. I think they're more in keeping with this bike, but some of the paint schemes might more suit these mirrors. So we'll give them a go. We all like different things, and that's what matters.
Just weird sitting like this.
Yeah, but it demonstrates, doesn't it?
It's a bit weird.
Okay, but we're back. So let's ask again, what do you think of the Enfield Interceptor 650?
It's miles better now with the foot pegs moved.
Yeah.
Miles better.
Yeah, I mean...
I didn't like this bike pillion before at all. Found it really uncomfortable, and I've just been out in it and really enjoyed it. Just with moving my feet 4 inches or so further forward,
yeah,
has made the world of difference.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't have those the luggage on, did we? The SW Tech luggage on.
No.
If we get on it now, you have your feet in position.
Yeah.
So my feet, they're overlapping, but the way my feet tuck in, they tuck against heel guards, and I don't want you to have to move to suit it. But it's fine. I mean, I tend to ride actually in the arch of my foot on the pegs on this bike rather than putting the fronts of my feet on there. But your feet were slightly further back when we were riding, weren't they?
Yeah, I didn't have these on when I rode, so
No.
they were. I was having the ball of my foot on the peg.
Yeah.
And now, as you can see, I've got like the I don't know what you call it.
Like the arch of the foot.
Yeah, arch. But that doesn't bother me if it's comfy for you.
No, it's fine for me.
And,
Our feet still fit in.
and it
Your
means that we
feet
can
slide
use
out there.
these. But so
Yeah.
yeah, it's really good.
So it's comfy now.
Yeah.
So now, would you like to ride down to Hunstanton and explore
Yeah,
the village and
yeah, I
stuff like
would
that?
now.
I mean, we've done a good 3/4 of an hour ride just now, haven't we?
Yeah.
And it was some rare footage we got there because it was
I
cold.
wasn't moaning and it was cold.
Yeah, but well, you've got your. Yeah, in fact, you've got your Kais heated vest on, or
Yeah.
heated body warmer, and it's still on.
Yeah.
You've been in the house for 20 minutes while we get set up.
Yeah, I know, but I'll wear this now for the rest of the day. I super love my heated vest.
So, new saddle as well.
Yeah.
Did you notice any difference?
No, I wouldn't have known
Nor did I.
it was a new saddle if you hadn't said. I wouldn't have known.
I after about half an hour, I start to get a bit uncomfy on this, but not to the point I don't want to ride it, but I have to start just jiggling my bum out a little bit. It doesn't feel any difference. It looks
Yeah, I think
fractionally better
Yeah.
as well.
to be back, I can't remember what the other old one looked like.
It looks pretty much the same. You wouldn't notice
Oh,
it.
right.
There it is.
Where? Oh yeah, it looks the same.
Yeah, it's slightly different, the detail on it. But those plates, 40 quid.
Oh god, yeah, definitely.
It's transformed the bike. It's now a bike that
Definitely.
we can both love.
Yes.
I'll mention the mirrors. I put these new mirrors on, and I was worried that they would stick out as far, but actually I didn't have my shoulders in. I noticed the cars behind me were slightly. I prefer a mirror a bit further out so I can kind of get that view back a little bit more. They were fine. For me, I don't think they really suit this bike. They're the old mirrors, the chrome ones.
All right.
I think on this bike with the chrome, I don't think these modern mirrors look right.
I hadn't
But
noticed
they
them
weren't
either.
fun. No. They did seem a good steady view. So,
Yeah.
it's very
Mirrors,
old
aren't
ones.
they?
But can we fix it?
Yes, we can for £40.
Excellent.
I like this bike now and I hated it before. Maybe a bit weird if we're both on it.
No, that'd be kind of cool. Why? Funky.
It's on now.
Yeah, there's no cable.
Fudge.
It's the cable.